Hello, thanks for stopping by. This is wedding cake. If you want to know how I made this cake, please watch this video to the end. It's very simple to make. Like this video and share, please. Let's go straight to the video. So I'm using 750. Sugar, 2 cups and half. To know if your butter and sugar is ready, when you lift it up like this and for once, you will know it's ready. I still need to do it. Yeah, just watch it. You will understand what I'm talking about. Watch me now. You can see that very creamy. Look, see, it fall easily. If yours stick, if it didn't fall like this, you continue. I'll put it aside and mix baking powder and my flour. I'm using 2 sachets of baking powder. I thought I was recording. I didn't know I did on my camera. So this is half of the flour. This is the remaining one. 1 packet is already here. 1 packet of this is already there. So the second packet, I'll open it now. For those of you that don't have sachets, this is 2 tablespoons. I thought I was recording. Oh my goodness. 1, 2 tablespoons. Altogether is 4 tablespoons. Try to get your measuring spoon. It's very good for measurements. 24 eggs here, but I will not be using everything. The cup and the spoon is very important. I have scale. I don't even use my scale. So the eggs are good. But it's advisable you break it one after the other. But I'm going to break everything here because the egg is good. I trust the egg. If you don't trust your egg, you can break it one after the other. Do you see that? I like using cup and spoon measurements. I'm using 20 eggs. Until you see it foamy. It's time to add flavor. Teaspoon. This is coconut flavor. For those of you, if you don't have this kind of spoon, you use teaspoon. If you don't have, you can use the cover of the flavor. This is banana flavor. Teaspoon. Just add little, very little. I'll rub butter on the pan. You sprinkle some flour on it. Set it aside. Don't overstir it. Let me show you the way I'm doing it. I put it in speed. That is why you are seeing it like this. Let me show you the normal way to do it. And make sure you preheat your oven before putting your batter so that your cake will not fall. I'm doing this so that there will be no hole at the middle of the cake. My delicious cake is ready. Please like this video if you have not liked this video. Subscribe and remember to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop video you'll be notified. Please help me share this video. If you have never shared my video, share my video please. If you have been sharing my video, may God bless you. Help me share this one please. Comment on this video. This cake was so delicious. Will you give it a try? If you know you will give it a try, comment. Let me know at the comment section if you enjoy watching this video. Look at that. So delicious. This is where the cake. Please help me share. Bye bye.